Okay, I'm Vasco. Thank you very much for watching this video till the very end. If you want to get the tutorial, the printable and interactive tabs for this arrangement, go in the link in the description. This is where you can find all of this. The interactive tabs are really helpful to learn because you can slow them down. They go in front of you, and also you can hear what it is supposed to sound, and I believe it's really helpful for learning quickly. So yeah, give it a try and let me know what you think about it. See you on the next one.